What if becoming wealthy isn't really about earning more money? What if the biggest difference between the rich and everyone else is not their salary, but what they do with the money after they earn it? There is a simple wealth formula that appears again and again among financially successful people. Earn, keep, invest, repeat. But the real secret is what happens between those 4 steps. Most people think wealth begins with a high income. It doesn't. Wealth begins when you create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. Imagine 2 people earning the same $100,000 a year. One spends nearly everything on a bigger house, expensive cars, subscriptions, restaurants and lifestyle upgrades. The other controls their expenses, saves consistently, and directs the difference into assets. After a few years, their incomes may still be identical. But their financial lives can look completely different. And this leads to the second part of the formula. Don't just save money. Put it to work. Cash sitting idle may feel safe, but long-term wealth is usually built through productive assets. That can include businesses, diversified investments, property, or other assets capable of generating income or appreciating over time. The wealthy understand something extremely important: money has a job. Every dollar should either protect your financial position, generate more money, or help build something valuable. Then comes the part most people underestimate: compounding. You invest $10,000. It generates returns. Instead of spending those returns, you reinvest them. Now your original money and your previous gains can potentially generate further gains. Over years and decades, the growth can become dramatically larger. This is why wealthy people often think in decades while ordinary financial decisions are made around the next payday. But there's another powerful principle: increase your earning power. Cutting expenses has a limit. Your income doesn't have to. Develop valuable skills. Build businesses. Negotiate better opportunities. Create multiple income streams. The goal isn't simply to work more. It's to make your time and expertise more valuable. And finally, the rich protect what they build. They manage risk, avoid unnecessary debt, maintain financial discipline, and think carefully before making major purchases. Because building wealth is only half the game. Keeping it is the other half. So remember the formula: earn more, spend intentionally, invest consistently, reinvest your gains, increase your value, protect your assets. You don't need to become a millionaire overnight. You need a system that works repeatedly. Because wealth is rarely created by one spectacular financial decision. It's created by thousands of small decisions, repeated for years. And that may be the biggest wealth secret of all.